Hi, this is John with WTI, and with one of my favorite sparkling water. This is the Arancia and Ficodindia Sanpellegrino naturally flavored sprinkling sparkling water. So, what I like the most about this sparkling water is that this guy is a 4 by 4. It's just versatile for anything. I've had this on just cold, no problem. You can mix it with the cocktail. Like the other day, I was with my friends, and one of my friends actually introduced me to this flavor, and it just tastes awesome. Since this day, I've been drinking one of my favorite flavors from the San Pellegrino is this one. The taste is great, not too sugary, but at the same time, you feel the sparkling, not too much sugar that is not going to go too high on your calorie levels. And if you're trying to keep it in a low level and you're trying to stay away from soda, this is actually a great alternative. So, a great flavor, the convenience, you can actually do almost anything with this. So, this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.